Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by China.
Stephen, I am.
Sure.
What a game of football. Ukatoso simsavile. Kaizer Chiefs saved Katoso. Umsebenzi bekaphela today. Angikho lapho kodwa Kaizer Chiefs mfethu ukwinika amajensi aya performer. Ukwinika showed leadership kula backline. Idlalile Kaizer Chiefs and angiyazi ukuthi ke uPule Modi bamgcineleni until the 90 minutes. And then as for Coach Nabi, I don't think Coach Nabi was supposed to be on the touchline today. At least maybe we're supposed to relax, understands, and then observe everything. Although maybe we know that is the man behind. Just nje ukuthi namafans kungathiwa now sekukhona uNabi, we are not winning. So uNabi maybe bekazawuhlala phansi noba impact yakhe ke uzawuyenza lapha influence lapha ya. Kodwa ke majida mfethu adlalile grand namhlanje and then best good substitutions. Zinkinga abomthetho umthetho plays back balls mfethu uyayikhawathi Kaizer Chiefs umthetho plays back balls ulilepo yabona manje sesikhuluma ngeball ulilepo always on the touchline akangene egamini now ithatha isikhathi ukuthi iChiefs ithi amabhola ayafika but akekho ulilepo eboxini and then ulilepo uhlezi ku touchline so iyasokolisa iKaizer Chiefs leyonto. I think ucoach now what he needs to work on ulilepo abuya azodlala ibhola and then umthetho abuya adlala ibhola eziyaphambili umthetho uyayibheka le channel umthetho sinayo kuma socials umthetho makadlala ibhola eziyaphambili umthetho play forward passes we are not and okwesithathu okugcina iKaizer Chiefs le build up yabo eqala ku goalkeeper iye ku two center backs it's not working for them. That system abayisebenzisayo starting the ball from the two center backs and then I expect ukuthi zoya phambili we are always under pressure because of those things but then I predicted the 0-0 man of the match it's Kwinika Njayam sharp bafethu.
Thank you China.